Mandy here from Create with Scrimpingmommy. Thank you so much for joining me. If you are new, please do hit that subscribe button. I really would be grateful. And if you're returning, thank you. Lovely to see you again. So we're on with the Book Lovers Journal, and I thought I'd share where I'm up to and then share a page embellishment idea. So far I have added all of my signatures. We're doing the Midori style binding and I've added quite a lot of pages. So in and amongst my digital pages, what I've done to cut down on your printing costs, you know, paper and ink costs money, have a look in your notebook collection. I've used some tissue paper, I've got some graph paper, and I've just ripped these out of notebooks. I've got some this plain one that I've ripped from a ring bound plain notepad, and I've left this decorative edge because we're adding interest, it's fun. And then I've also got a lined, just your general lined ring bound pages. Rip them out, it's extra pages that, you know, if you've already got them, it's free. You're giving it a junk-ish style. I don't call my journals junk journals, I just call them journals, but they are junkish. And all of these will help give your journals extra pages without loads of extra cost. Okay, and what I've also done, I have strung my elastics. I've doubled them up. So in each one I've got two. So after each signature I now have an extra little booklet. So this is the planner booklet, okay, using the planner pages. And then at the end of this signature I've got another booklet. The cover is out of lightweight cardstock. This one's filled with pages with the framed writing pages. And then at the back of this one I've got another notebook here, again lightweight cardstock printed on both sides, and this is just full of writing pages. So, you know, you're constantly expanding your writing potential in your journal. So let's show you a quick and easy journal decoration. So this is a belly band. At the back here I've slipped a couple of tags. This is from my 100 tags kit in my Ko-fi shop. There is a collection with 100 tags. They're all collage tags, so then you can layer what you'd like on them. I've shrunk one of the pages down to a page and made a journaling card. Here I've got another tag from my 100 tags collection. I'll probably change it because I'll make some to go with the collection. But so we've got a belly band at the back here, and then I've closed it with some lovely organza ribbon. Here's one of the embellishments that I've cut out, and we've got this like fold out. So you've got hidden journaling space there. Okay, it folds up, it's pretty, and it's also a belly band there, tuck there, tuck there, tuck there. And you can either just glue these bits shut or do what I've done. I've added an embellishment, threaded some ribbon through, and it ties. So we're embellishing the journal, but we're also expanding on the writing space because it folds out for hidden journaling. So we're not just adding unnecessary bulk, it's useful. Okay, and we can tuck extra things in and amongst. You can tuck little things in there. I haven't got any little things ready yet, but I will have by the time I've done. So I'm going to show you how to make it. Super simple. Anybody can do this. Sheet of paper. If you need to cut your borders off, cut your borders off. Okay, I've printed it. Which way around is this writing going? I've printed the same paper on two sides. Then all you're going to do is you're going to start and form a tube with your paper. And what that's going to do is it's going to give you 3 folds. So we're folding the paper in 3 fairly equal parts. So just keep playing with it until you've got 3. I mean, if you want to measure it and all of that fancy stuff, you know, measuring it, working out exactly what, you know, dividing it into thirds is without having to trim it off and have an even measurement. I'm just wrapping it around. I'm just going to keep adjusting it until I've got 3 fairly even sections. Okay, it doesn't matter if it's not perfect. 3 fairly even sections, and then score it, make sure it's flat. I can just move that up a little bit. Okay, and then fold that over, and we've got 3 even sections. All right, and then what you want to do is open it up, and then these two outer sections, okay, you fold back on themselves. So back along to the edge there, and then this one, close it and fold it back to the edge or the folded part there, so that you've got that. So it folds together into the middle, okay? And then what you want to do is open it up. From the outer edge, you want to make a mark at about 4 inches is a nice height, but you can do what you want. 4 inches there, and the same here, 4 inches, okay? And then where you have, so this is back panel here, and then you've got 2 smaller scores. So where the scores are on this back panel, make a line where that score mark is so you can see. Okay, so I've got one there, and I've got one there. And what we're going to do is we're going to join that line straight across that score line, and we're going to meet that score line with our trimmer. So we're just cutting it at an angle. It's just taken from a card fold idea. Where's my 4-inch mark? It's there. So this is quite a traditional card fold. I can't think what it's called. It's not a tuxedo card, I don't think. I don't know what it's called, but I've done it in card making. But obviously with card making, you're a bit more careful with your measuring because it's got to be right. So there's my mark on the second back crease. And where's my 4-inch mark, pencil mark? There it is. Spinning it around so that both those pencil marks are on my trimmer, or join it up with a pencil and a ruler and use your scissors, okay, if you want it. If you're not confident using your trimmer, okay. Let's move that out of the way, and there you go. That's how you get that without having the headache of measurements. It's all just done by eye. So then you can glue that top and bottom, stick it on your journal page, you've got a belly band, okay? Now you can, if you so desire, glue these flaps down the side and along the bottom to keep them like that. But I've left mine loose, and I've added ribbon around the back, brought it around the front to close, so that it can be undone and you can have hidden journaling space there. But then when it's closed, you've got a pocket there. You've got a little tuck there, a little tuck there, and a belly band there. So I'll show you one more time in my journal. There we go. I've just decorated it very simply with some little bits of lace. I've added one of the embellishments from my collection here, but I've only glued it on one half. And I've added a sentiment that says memories. And then that then will open up for some extra journaling and close up for pockets and a belly band. So there you go, quick and easy, simple idea for you to try. Go and have some fun, use up your leftovers, use some of your pretty embellishments. If you're using lace, my advice is keep it flat. This is super flat lace, so that you're not adding unnecessary bulk, unless you want unnecessary bulk, in which case, put what you like on. Who am I? The main thing is go and have some fun trying that lovely, I don't even know what the fold's called, but it's from card making. So go and have some fun. Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you soon. Bye.